definitely good and good for all the good NBFCs. And we welcome this move, which is taken very positive rather than any negative side, which some of the previous circulars and all were there. You know about the previous circulars, which were, not at all encouraging, discouraging. Now they have understood the moment LTV 75 means level playing ground. It was very, very unreasonable to keep 60 for us and 75. But I appreciate the quick action taken by the new governor and Nachiket. They understood. Our representation were there, were going on. They have taken. So we welcome it. Tell me, is there anybody in India who do not have a small gold? That is why we have 18,000 tons in India, which is the largest holding in any country, in private and household. Americans do not keep gold. They will have the artificial jewelry and all. And we have the largest holding of gold in the country in private because of our networking. Reserve Bank, 600 tons. Then comes 140 to 150 tons in our 4,400 office. So we are guarding that asset very carefully because no bank has any wealth like 20 crores, 30 crores in their bank. They have currency in the chest 2 crores, 3 crores. If somebody comes to loot, we have to be very careful. So we have 2 guards. There is public sentiment also there. So we are very careful guarding the wealth inside our branches. If the international market or Indian market goes down, we are giving the loan, temporary loans. From 1 month to 18 months we used to keep. But there are people who take 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This is only a temporary period loan. So if there is a going down, for example, if it is going from 25,000, it will not come 250 rupees next month. You agree with me? It will come 250, 200. We have a button control in our head office to instruct all the officers as and when it goes down, we reduce the percentage of money given on a gram. Understand? So it is not affecting directly as much as it is to a huge jeweler who had this much gold with them and the price has crashed. He loses money. We are not selling or buying gold. So our risk is very limited. Only thing is that the amount dispersed can be reduced. Because if the price was too much, we would have been also giving more money. Is there anything appreciated like gold in the country, in the world? And is there anything worth secured like gold? Even American dollar can go down. But gold will have some stability as long as it is needed by people like South Asia, India, China. We have a liking to gold because we save our money. Even poorest fellow will have something gold. As a sector, NCD is more safer. It is having lot of controls. You won't get a permission just like that. You have to get all the banks certified about your credibility. Then you have to give a lot of information about your company, and you are controlled. Of course, you are controlled by SEBI and RBI. So it is more safe for a person than a private NCD. But for Muthoot, private SEBI, debenture, the strongest in the world. 100 crore investment with this is supported by 140 crores gold. Can you say one bank in the world, whether scheduled bank in India, nationalist bank in India, or who has 2% of gold for their deposit? People don't just pay money just because percentage is high, because the lesson has been taught by past. Many people offered 18%, 16%, 19%. Where are they? They all shut the door and gone. So 12, 11 is only 2% high. And then we have a rating, CRISIL of this thing. They all see that. They feel bank and these people, especially ours, they have a feeling of trust more than a reserve bank. But people are becoming intelligent and they also look balance sheets.